Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang. I'm a licensed financial advisor and life planner with AIA Philippines. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you what happens to your children if you're gone tomorrow, especially if you're a single working mom. What happens to your children if you're gone tomorrow? One hospital bill, one accident, or one diagnosis can change everything. Do you agree? Lalo na sa mga single working moms. So let's have a reality check. If you're a single working mom, the reality is you are the income. So if you stop earning, everything stops. And because you are the income, every peso your family depends on comes from your hard work alone. And because you are the income, you are the provider for the food, para sa shelter, para sa education ng mga anak mo. Everything rests on your shoulders. And you're also the backup plan. Walang plan A, plan B, plan C kasi nga, there's no one else to step in if something happens to you. So, if you have no income, then there are no payments. Walang pambayad ng bills, walang pambayad sa rent, walang pambayad sa tuition. Everything stops when your income stops. So if you have no insurance, you also have no safety net. Kasi without protection, your children face an uncertain future. So what are the pain of single working moms? Remember, it's not just you who's lost. Your whole system is affected. So let's take a look at an OFW single working mom. What if you can't come home? Working abroad means distance and a lot of risk. Paano pag hindi ka na nakauwi ng buhay? And for a single working mom, who will care for your child? You are the only parent that they have. For a CEO mom, who will sustain your business empire? Your business depends on you. And for a breadwinner mom, who pays the bills? Your family relies on your income alone. So for every mom, ang laging tanong, ang laging nasa isip, what happens next? Without a plan, uncertainty takes over. So here's the misconception. I already have an insurance. That's enough. One policy is not enough. Many single moms believe na they're protected with just one insurance policy. The truth, life changes fast. Yung sinasabi mo or iniisip mo na one insurance policy is enough, inflation increases, kids grow, tuition fee increases, daily needs multiply, your coverage must keep pace. So yun dapat ang maintindihan natin na nagbabago ang panahon. O di ba ang diesel ngayon magkano na? Halos tumaas ng 100%. Hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari in the next coming days. And responsibilities grow. Your policy value shrinks as prices rise. What covers 1 million today may only be worth 500,000 pesos in the next 10 years. And hospital bills rise. Medical costs increase 8 to 10% yearly. One serious illness can wipe out your coverage. And coverage must grow. So you have to review and upgrade regularly. You have to make a policy review of the insurance that you already have. So let's take a look at this simple computation to check if you have any financial gap. Can your current insurance replace 6 million if you die today? So let's say, for example, your monthly income, which is your salary each month as a single working mom providing for your family. So it's 50,000 pesos every month. That's your salary income every month. I-times natin sa 12 months para makuha natin yung yearly income mo. That's 600,000 pesos annual income your family depends on. Now, for a 10-year coverage, let's say for example, mawala ka na. Are your children protected? Kaya ba silang suportahan ng insurance coverage mo for 10 years that they will receive the same annual income that you're able to provide now, which is 600,000 pesos. So, i-multiply natin yung 600,000 pesos times 10 years, you need 6 million pesos needed to protect your children, to make sure na for 10 years, they will still be able to get the same monthly income that you're able to provide for them and the same yearly income that you are able to provide for them. Now the question is, does your current insurance cover 6 million? Because if not, then you are underprotected. So, take action. You have to secure your children's future today and make sure na yung monthly income na napoprovide mo sa kanila at yung yearly income na napoprovide mo sa kanila for 10 years they are covered. Now, let's have an ROI comparison, insurance versus other investments. Kasi yung iba iniisip na, ay, invest ko na lang yung pera ko kesa sa mag-add ako ng additional insurance coverage or kumuha pa ako ng insurance. So, insurance is the only investment that pays millions instantly. So, let's take a look at business. Kasi yung iba iniisip, ay, magbe-business na lang ako. Yun na lang ang iiwan ko sa mga anak ko. Zero risk for beneficiaries. Wala namang maiiwan or mapupunta agad sa mga anak mo, lalo na kung nag-start ka pa lang ng business, diba? At may risk pa na malugi din yung business na itatayo mo kung doon mo i-invest yung pera mo instead of getting an additional insurance coverage. Guaranteed. Pwede kong i-save sa mga guaranteed investments. Well, uncertain yung returns and with high risk. Kasi there's no guarantee of success sa mga nangangako dyan ng investment na, kapag nag-invest ka dito, kikita ka ng 3% every month, 5% every month, di ba? And then sa savings, yes, pwede mo naman i-deposit ang iyong pera sa bangko. The returns are certain kasi alam mo kung magkano yung dinideposit mo or sinisave mo na pera sa bangko. And it can be paid immediately to your loved ones when needed the most. Very liquid siya. Pero, wala namang insurance portion yon. And then, low return kind of investments. Low interest rates, minimal growth over time. Now, with insurance, it is safe but grows slowly. Lalo na doon sa mga insurance na may investment component, di ba? May not keep up with inflation. So this is the ROI comparison of insurance versus other investments. Pero sa insurance, ito lang yung investment that pays millions instantly kapag merong nangyari sa'yo. Either magkasakit ka, or either maaksidente ka, or either kunin ka na ni Lord. So here's the real scenario. Here is the difference of that one decision that you will be making. Because insurance is love in financial form. So here's Mom A, no insurance. Now, family struggles to pay the bills, children's education at risk, and there's no safety net when the Mom A leaves the earth. And this is Mom B with insurance. The children are secured, their education are funded, and their future is protected. So what's the difference? One decision today changes everything tomorrow. So it's your choice. It's your choice to leave your children's future to a chance or to not leave your children's future to chance. So what do you have to do now? You have to act now to protect your family with the right coverage today. So why do you need additional insurance? Kasi more responsibilities equals more coverage needed. The kids' education costs grow. Naalala mo pa ba kung magkano yung tuition fee mo nung nag-college ka? Kasi ako naaalala ko pa. And ngayon, pag tinitignan ko yung tuition fee, oh my gosh, grabe. Yung difference, nakakalula. Tuition fees increase yearly. College costs can double in 10 years. So kung ang anak mo ay 2 years old pa lang ngayon, at gano'n na kamahal ang tuition fee, diba? Paano pa kaya in 10 years kapag siya na yung magka-college talaga? Can you just imagine kung magkano yung kailangan mong ipunin para sa tuition fee? And daily expenses increase. I'm sure naman, ramdam na ramdam nating lahat yan, diba? Lalo na ngayon na tumaas ang fuel. Halos tumaas ng 100%. Diba? So, tumaas din ang groceries, utilities, and daily needs rise with inflation every year. And when medical emergencies happen, pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng mga utang sa loan or even sa mortgages natin or mga credit cards, and it doesn't disappear when you're gone. So, debts may accumulate, Diba yung one hospitalization can wipe out savings? Sino na sa inyo naka-experience ito na nagkasakit ang isa sa kapamilya ninyo? Lalo na kung very close sa inyo, 'di ba? Na talagang buong pamilya ninyo, nailabas na ang buong savings. Ako na-experience ko 'yan. When my aunt had an ovarian cancer stage 3C, halos lahat kami na-wipe out ang savings. So, we have to be prepared always. That's why more coverage is needed because your family grows, your protection must also grow. Kaya dapat kailangan i-update mo palagi ang iyong coverage regularly. Magkaroon ka lagi ng yearly policy review para alam mo kung kailangan mo ng dagdagan ang iyong coverage. So let's take a look at the cost versus benefit. What's your daily priority? Daily coffee. Okay. Sabihin na natin you spend 150 pesos on temporary happiness. Kasi talagang happiness mo pag kakaroon ng daily coffee, di ba? That could be gone in minutes. Fast food lunch. We could spend 200 pesos for one meal that satisfies only for hours. Lalo na kung marami tayong food cravings. Baka hindi lang 200 pesos ang ginagastos natin sa ating fast food lunch. Online shopping. Sinong guilty dito sa online shopping na lagi na lang ang daming nilalagay sa add to cart? And you can spend 500 pesos on items you may forget you bought. Sino dito yung nag-order na tapos yung dumating, ay, may order pala ako. Ay, in-order ko pala to. In-order ko pala to. Now, with insurance protection, 100 pesos per day could be equivalent to lifetime security for your children. So, it's your choice. Diba? Temporary happiness versus lifetime security. What matters more to you? So, what your children really need is for you to not leave them with nothing. Time is running out. The longer you wait, the more you risk. Why? Insurance costs increase with age. Every year that you delay means higher monthly payments. Pwedeng yung 2,000 to 3,000 pesos every month lang na babayaran mo for your insurance premium, baka next year maging 3,000 to 4,000 pesos na siya. And then, higher premiums. Kasi pwede magkaroon ka na ng pre-existing conditions that can lead to rejected applications or exclusions. And possible disapproval. Pwede ka pang ma-disapprove. Hindi po lahat ng nag-a-apply ng insurance policy na a-approve kasi yung iba, nagkakaroon na po sila ng sakit. Yung iba, naabutan na nagkaroon ng cancer o malubhang sakit. So, yung health conditions develop over time, lalo na sa age, di ba? The more na tumatanda tayo, the more na nagiging prone tayo, nagiging at risk tayo na magkaroon tayo ng mga certain health conditions. So, what's insurable today may not be tomorrow. Hindi po lahat na nag-a-apply for insurance ay na-approve. Na kapag dumating yung time na pag nag-apply ka tapos hindi ka na-approvable, saan ka kukuha ng insurance, di ba? Kung kailan gustong-gusto mo na kumuha ng insurance tapos bigla ka nagkaroon ng matinding sakit na hindi ka na talaga maaprubahan ng. And higher risk. Again, your children's future depends on your action today. So, the best time is today. Don't wait for tomorrow. You have to secure your family's protection right now. So, let's protect God's gift to us. Kasi our children, they are God's gift to us, diba? In-entrust sa atin ni Lord ang ating mga anak. And with the trust that God has given us para protektahan yung mga anak natin, that includes protecting them with their future na kahit wala na tayo sa tabi nila, we know that their education is secured. We know that the income that we're able to provide for them would still be the same income that they will enjoy kahit na wala na tayo sa tabi nila. So take action now and secure your children's future. So you can message me, protect now to compute your exact coverage kasi iba-iba po kayo ng computation. Depende sa age nyo, depende sa situation ninyo, sa case ninyo. So your step 1 is to message me protect either on my email or either through text. You can call me, you can send me an email sa Viber, sa WhatsApp, or Kung sa social media nyo to nakita, just comment there or send me a message sa aking Facebook page, Instagram, or even dito sa TikTok. Basta kung saan nyo po ako message, i-type nyo lang yung protect. So start your protection journey with one simple message and then get your computation. I'll give you your computation. So send a message now to start your journey to financial security. And then step 2, of course, we will have a free planning consultation and I'll send you a customized coverage calculation based on your family's needs. And secure your children today. So receive complimentary financial planning consultation with me. And step 3, I'll give you a personalized plan. So don't wait. Huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik. Protect your children's future starting now.